Now it's a climactic moment. You want to know what happened next. That's what you want to know really badly. Now at that point, Allah says what He wanted to say all along. Allah says, إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لِرَبِّهِ لَكَنُودٌ. No doubt the human being is truly disloyal to his master. Allah says the human being is not loyal to his master at all, for sure. SubhanAllah. We find a Shawkani commenting, Qanud also means cutting apart, to disassociate, to separate. Meaning the human being separates himself from the mastery and the slavery to Allah. He disassociates himself. This is a special type of ingrate, Qanud. First of all, this is Sighatul Mubalagha, so it's extremely ungrateful. It's not just ungrateful, it's extremely ungrateful. How do we know that? Because of the waw. In Qanud, this is Sighatul Mubalagha. Okay? One who remembers and makes only mention of the problems and complaints and never makes mention of favors. That's the kind of person that's called Qanud. So Allah Azza wa Jalla says, إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لِرَبِّهِ لَكَنُودٌ. Especially when it comes to his master, he is extremely ungrateful. Extremely, the word Qanud also includes disloyal, has no loyalty. وَإِنَّهُ عَلَى ذَلِكَ لَشَهِيدٌ. And there is no doubt that he, meaning the human being, especially when it comes to that, is truly a witness. Shaheed is sifa mushabbaha, and this is what we say, something happening all the time. So the human being is a witness to his disloyalty when? All the time. It's not just one occasion. It's not just one scene that was just described. For this scene, he was shahid. But now that he's come to this realization, he himself is a witness against himself all the time. All the time. The biggest testimony against you is your own self. Allah captures this in another place in the Qur'an. He says, بَلِ الْإِنسَانُ عَلَى نَفْسِهِ بَصِيرًا وَلَوْ أَلْقَى مَعَاذِيرًا. No, the human being is in full view against his own self, even if he makes excuses. Then Allah goes further. Incredible ayah. وَإِنَّهُ لِحُبِّ الْخَيْرِ لَشَدِيدٌ. First of all, li in Arabic is used for li ajl. It's harf ajl. It's the purpose. It's a word that gives purpose. Allah did not say for wealth. His love is intense. The word for is not used with wealth. The word for is used with love. إِنَّهُ li hub. Not lil khayr, but li hub. Li hubbil khayr. For the love of wealth, he is severe. He's intense. What does that mean? The word hub, if you look at the linguistic meaning in the Arabic language, we find as follows. The word hub means that it is defined as a perception of something desirable and one engaged in relentless pursuit of it. Hub in Arabic is defined when you see something, you think it's very good for you. And then you do whatever you can to get it. When you're doing that, it is said you love it. So now, the word love of what? In the ayah, love of what? Hubbul khayr. Khayr in Arabic means good. But every mufassir says, khayr in this ayah means mal. Mal, wealth. So why not say lihubbil mal? Why say what? Lihubbil khayr. Instead of saying the love of wealth. For the love of wealth, he's severe in his love of wealth, and for the sake of it, for the sake of keeping that love alive, he's tough, he's shadeed, and he's unflinching. And shadda in Arabic is to tie a rope also, so he's tied up in it. He's locked in it. But here the word khayr, I want to share with you an incredible comment, which we find by Ibn Zayd, rahimahullah. سَمَّ اللَّهُ الْمَالِ خَيْرًا. Allah named mal, wealth, in this ayah as khayr, as good. وَعَسَىٰ أَن يَكُونَ شَرًّا. And it could be that it's bad. Isn't that true? Wealth could be good and wealth could also be bad. So how come? وَلَكِنَّ النَّاسِ يَجِدُونَهُ خَيْرًا فَسَمَّاهُ خَيْرًا. It's because people always think of wealth as what? Good. So Allah called it good because Allah is basically translating the mentality of the kafir. For the kafir, there's no difference between wealth and good. Oh, you think that's good? Basically, what we're learning here is Allah Azza wa Jalla is being sarcastic. Oh, this is what you think is good? This is what you have so much love for and it's so intense for you? For the sake of preserving that love, you are so bent upon it and so intense? SubhanAllah. إِنَّهُ لِحُبِّ الْخَيْرِ لَشَدِيدٌ. SubhanAllah. أَفَلَا يَعْلَمُونَ